Hello, first graders. Today we're going to go over Unit 3, Lesson 11, Vocabulary Words. Ready? Number 1, cold. The ocean water is very cold. What does it mean? Cold means to have a low temperature. How do I use it? It was cold enough to go ice skating. Do you like cold weather or warm weather better? Talk it over. Think carefully about what you can see, hear, feel, and do on a cold day. So one example would be cold outside. You can feel it on your skin. Give me some more examples of what you can hear or feel on a cold day. Number 2, where? Sharks live where the ocean is deep. Where, what does it mean? Where means the spot that someone or something is in. How do I use it? Sammy knows where to find the dentist's office. Do you know where your town is on a map? Talk it over. So we're going to create a map of our neighborhood where you live. Include streets and houses. So in my neighborhood, I live right across the street from a park. So where do you live? Number 3, blue. Today the ocean water looks blue. What does it mean? Blue is a color. The sky is blue. How do I use it? Sarah is wearing a blue bathing suit. How would your classroom be different if there were no color blue? Talk it over. So let's think about a sentence about something you like that is blue, and then share that sentence. So my example would be, my favorite color is blue, and I have a blue pen. What is your sentence using the word blue? Number 4, live. Whales live in all the oceans of the world. What does it mean? Live means to breathe, eat, and grow. Live can also mean to have a home. How do I use it? A flower needs water to live. Where do you live? Talk it over. Think about what you like most about where you live. So one example would be, I love that I live across the street from a park. What is your example? Number 5, far. Squid swim far below the ocean's surface. What does it mean? Far means a long distance between two things. How do I use it? She was far away. How can you visit a friend who is far away? Talk it over. See how many ways you can think of to travel somewhere far away. Write a list of different ways you know. So I will share one example and then you share your examples with me. Ready? One example is to travel by a train. What is another example of a way you can travel to see someone who lives far away? Number 6, there. Their home is by the ocean. What does it mean? There is a word that shows that something belongs to a group. How do I use it? Their father is washing the car. What do cats do to keep their fur clean? Talk it over. So we're going to go over these sentences and I'm going to fill in the blank with the word there and you're going to tell me if it makes sense. Ready? They sent there to the other room. No. Do you know their address? Yes. I saw the turtle there the cave. No. Michelle and Rob are wearing their skates. Yes. Number 7. Little. Many little fish live in the ocean. What does it mean? Little means a small amount of something or to be small in size. How do I use it? Tanya is too little to reach the table. What is one good thing about being as little as an ant? Talk it over. So I'm going to go over these examples and you're going to tell me if this is something little or big. Ready? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Big. A paperclip. Little. A mountain. Big. Number 8. Water. Some people take photos in the water. What does it mean? Water is what is in oceans, lakes, and rivers. Water comes out of the faucet in a sink. How do I use it? Plants need water to grow. How would your day be different if you did not have water? Talk it over. Make up a story about an animal that lives in water. Draw and label a picture to go with your story. So, I want you to think of one animal that lives in water and give me 2 sentences about that animal. Ready? My example would be, there was an octopus with purple dots that lived in the water. The octopus loved to swim all day. Now you give me an example of an animal that lives in the water. Remember, keep practicing your vocabulary words throughout the week. Bye.